Hi everyone, my name is Veronica, and during this project, I'm the project manager of the group and the scrum master of the group.
Hi, my name is Martin. I was working with the group to deliver a project to make application for kids. I was working on the design part and also on the research.
My name is Umma Habiba. For this project, I worked on technical review and I helped to managing Jira and to writing report.
Hi, my name's Lucas. I took part into the front-end development part of the project, as well as a little bit of the back end.
Hi, my name is Klaus. I've worked on the back end of the app.
Hello, my name is Vlad, and I mainly worked on the UI UX design part of the process.
Okay, so I will now introduce the project. So only one out of every 5 children in England cannot read well by the age of 11. Our goal is to encourage and engage children in reading books, to develop their reading skills, understand the purpose of reading, and grow to love reading. Our app, the mission of our app is to connect children so they will read and enjoy reading more, as well as to create special moments in which children and their families can share connections with words, images, and books. So Koobool is being introduced by one of a kind digital platform created with kids age 5 to 13 and their family in mind. Kids will share their thoughts on books they've read with other kids through various formats such as writing, videos, and pictures. This is a platform where children can write, publish, and share reviews of books they have read. And both the user who posted the review and those interacting with it should find the experience interactive, incentives, and rewarding.
I'm going to talk about a little bit technical review. So the aim of undertaking technical review is to evaluate different technologies against the requirement and functionality by the client as their aims and objectives for the project in order to select the most suitable technologies required for the development of this project. So we have two parts like front end and back end. So I have done front end technical review. So I'm going to share my screen to show the documentation. For front end, we have this as a group. We have decided to use Angular to develop the front end. We do some research on Kotlin, React Native, Xamarin, and Flutter. So we found the Angular is the more convenient to develop this app front end. So yeah, that's it.
So basically, in the backend technical review, I had the job of choosing a backend and the technology we were going to use. And I thought it was going to be better for us to rely on third-party APIs. So we did not build our own backend, but we instead relied on Firebase because it's easy to use. It's pretty simple if you follow the documentation. And yeah, basically our whole backend is on Firebase. And we chose this for simplicity reasons.
Okay, I did the front end, and for the front end language, the Angular language was chosen, the Angular framework. But I've also added in Tailwind in order to do the stylings, just so I don't have to go and make a separate CSS file and work on that for every component. I've also attempted to reuse components so that there's no inconsistencies in things being a little bit different when trying to recreate the same component, and worked on first implementing functionality rather than implementing the design to make sure that the functionality is there and working.
Okay, we can show our app now.
Okay, I'll now show the application for our group project. This is the landing page for all the users. Once you click on Get Started, you'll be prompted with the sign in and sign up page. If we quickly create an account, the same password, you are redirected to a complete sign up section to give you more information about yourself. Give yourself a profile picture and a phone number. Once you click on complete sign up, you'll be redirected to the home page. You can go to the book section and you have a search for a book, or you'll be able to click on a specific book. If I search for a book, it will show the book. Once you click on a book, you can see description about the book and all the current reviews already. You can add a new review. You don't have to give an image for your reviews. Amazing book. I read it 5 times. No need to add an image. Add review. After a few seconds, you'll go back onto that book page, and here you can see the review that you've just added. If we go to the settings, we can also add a new book. Once you've added a new book, filled out the form, it should add it to the database and be displayed over here in the list of books. And that is the whole application.
So in terms of the UI we've worked on for the app, this is the onboarding screen, which shows us the main value proposition that the app has, which is to help children rate books and discover other comments from kids their age. And let's go ahead and get started with this. So once I hit get started, I am prompted with create a new account. Once I create a new account, I'm going to be transitioned to the main home screen. And as you can see on the main home screen, we can remark a few suggestions, new arrivals of books added on the marketplace for kids to read and review on the platform. And just at the bottom, we can remark as well the latest review that I did as a kid. And then let's say I want to explore more books. I have the option to choose from multiple categories and as well as search probably something I already have in my library, for example. Let's go ahead and click on one of those books, and as we can see, we have the option to see a few things about the book, a rating, a description, and other customer reviews. Let's say we want to leave a review. I just click on the leave a review button. I drag my finger across how many stars I consider this book to be worth, and I can leave a comment. Once I click a post review, I have the option to go back and read my review and also read other people's reviews.
Thank you very much for watching our group presentation. Thank you.